Yeah, hello students. Hope you all are doing well. So, in this video, I'll quickly brief you about the marking structure for grade 11 general or grade 10 advanced. It has been discussed in detail though during the class hours, and a lot of review exercises have been posted on Telegram and are also available on LMS under Unit 2. So we begin with the first part of the examination, which is electronic based or Swift Assess. So as a part of Swift Assess or electronic examination, the part one will comprise of a paragraph based on vocabulary words, and it will have 7 questions, and each question will have 3 options. And each question comprises of 2 marks. So therefore, the total marks for this question are going to be 14. And there are vocabulary words which have been given to you here. So you are required to go through them and try to memorize these vocabulary words. Now, next you will be getting is part 2, which is going to be grammar based. So under part 2 also you'll be getting a paragraph, and in that paragraph you'll be getting 7 multiple choice questions. Each gap filling question, it will have 3 options and you will have to select one best option. Few topics related to the grammar in your syllabus have been added here. For detail, you can check your LMS, wherein the answer key has also been provided for the various review exercises. And at the same time, these review exercises were also posted on Telegram. Just to quickly brief you, one of the topic is going to be question tag. So I'll just take these 2 examples which have been given here, which says that if the statement is positive, the tag is going to be negative. So we will just see here how it is actually, the rule which is stated here is actually true, and it's a fact. So in this sentence, it is given you are coming. Now, you are coming, it is a positive statement because the word not is not used and the helping verb are has been used. So now therefore, while making a question tag, we will use the same helping verb which is given in the sentence here. So we pick up are, and with are we write not. That is N apostrophe T or N-O-T. So instead of O, they have used apostrophe here. So you are coming, aren't you? So statement is positive, followed by question tag, which is negative, means it has not word in it. In the next sentence, the statement is negative. So therefore, the question tag will be positive. We can just use not in one of the things, either in the main statement or the question tag. If it is not there in the main statement, that means not word is going to be there in the question tag. So over here, it's already there in the statement, you are not tired. Okay, NOT or N apostrophe T has been used here. So this is a negative statement. So therefore, in the question tag, it's going to be opposite. So question tag will be positive. So therefore, we have used the same helping verb are. Are you? You are not tired. Are you? So in short, what you have to remember is if statement is negative, question tag will be positive. If statement is positive, question tag will be negative. So we go here, these are few more exercises based on question tag. You can swim, can't you? She could help, couldn't she? So positive statement followed by negative question tag. Few more sentences on question tag for practice here. Then we have WH questions. You should know when to use who, when to use what. That is, who is used with people or persons, what is used with things or activity, where refers to place, when is all about time. So you can go through all these question tags, which are also called as WH questions. You also have how word in this, and how is also a part of WH question family. So you have exercise based on this, and the answer key would be there in LMS along with the questions too. Next, we come to part 3 of electronic examination, which is going to be a reading comprehension. You will be given a long text, and based on that text, you will get 8 fill-ups, 8 multiple choice questions, and each gap filling will have 3 options. So you will have to select one which is the most appropriate. And this is going to be for 16 marks. That is, each question will be of 2 marks. So your part 1, vocabulary based paragraph, part 2, grammar based paragraph, part 3 is going to be reading comprehension, and part 4 for electronic examination, that too is going to be a reading comprehension. Now in this reading comprehension, again, you will be getting 8 gaps, and each question will be of 2 marks each, so therefore altogether 16 marks. Now with this, the marking structure for electronic examination of Swift SS is over. That is altogether total of 4 exercises you will be getting. Now we move on to the writing part, which is a paper-based exam. A separate video has been made for writing part 1 question and part 2 question. So you can refer to those 2 questions along with the sample answers for details. And however, as a part of writing is going to be for 40 marks, wherein your electronic examination, it was for 60 marks. So under this paper-based examination, you will be getting 2 questions. First question, you will have to write the main idea. You will be given a short text. You will have to read the short text, and you'll have to find out the main idea given in the text in 3 to 4 sentences. And in the second section of writing examination, you'll be given 3 prompts, and you will have to write an essay of at least 170 words based on those 3 prompts. The rubrics too have been shared in the detailed explanation of the writing examination. You can refer to that. And with this, you must remember that your English exam date is on Tuesday. That is November 25th. Review material with answer keys on Telegram and LMS under Unit 2. And if you have any questions or queries, please feel free to ask me. With this, wish you good luck. All the best and do well. Have a good day.